Agile equipment is now selling 100 drum liners by IAQ Pro. These clear drum liners are 1 meter by 1.5 meters big and have a total approximate capacity of 200 liters. At such a large capacity with durable plastic, there are many uses. These drum liners are 100 thick and can withstand a lot of strain. It makes it perfect for restoration situations where a lot of rubbish, building material and non-recoverable items need to be disposed of without the worry of tearing. It also is great for garden refuse. Its 200 litre capacity is more than a decent amount of capacity for the big jobs. For reference, these bags can fit 240 litre bins with some coaxing. Additionally, its clear plastic also means it's handy for contents processing situations, especially when contents are delivered off-site to be restored. After contents have been restored, it's important to protect and cover items such as garments, dresses, linen, and even suitcases or hard-to-pack items when transiting and presenting it back to the client. Its clear plastic means both you and the client are able to quickly tell the contents inside. We have used them on plenty of jobs and found them very reliable. You can buy these drum liners by the bag or in a box of 60 bags at agileequipment.com.au. We're happy to freight it to you, no problem. If you'd like, you can come to our showroom in Murray to have a look, or you can give us a call. Thanks for watching.